So hey viewers, today we will see how to use the application Kinemaster, which is basically the best video editing software for the beginners right now. And now, as you can see, we will select the media option from the upper corner and we will select background, or we can choose any of the image. Now we'll choose some better background. As you can see, let's choose this one. So as you can see, we have chosen this background. Now we will add some layers. Let's select the media from the layers option, and we can add some image, or basically any video you have to edit there. Now we can resize it and choose other options like in animations, overall animations, and out animations. So let's choose in animations, and this is basically how the image will appear when the image starts or the video starts. And the second is overall animations and end animations. These are basically all the different things at the end and the start of the image. This is alpha opacity, which is basically how opaque the image will look in the video. And this is cropping. This is basically you can mold this image into any shape, in the shape of a circle, triangle, and you can even soften the edges right there. So this is all about the image settings. Now we will see different options in the layers. So yeah, now you can see how much you have edited your video by sliding it towards the left or right. So this will basically give a better idea. Let's see another settings, which is colors and adjustment, which will allow you to change the brightness and contrast level. And let's move to another option, which is basically layers. Layers will include different forms of image settings, which will give your video a more eye appealing sight, which the viewers will definitely like it. You can even use it. This will also include all the settings, that is basically in animation, out animations, and you can edit it, and you can select any of the layers. There are a number of layers in the store too, which we'll be going to talk in the later side of the video. And let's see the overlay settings. These are small animations which will give your video a more impressive look, I think. And there are text and much more. Let's select the text option. Here you can see how the text will going to appear. Just see it by sliding towards the left, and you can even change the text here written is, and you can even change the in animations, out animations, alpha opacity, and even the color of the text and style even. So let's set the in animation to fade and see how it looks. So yeah, now let's see the settings. Here you can change the text. Let's write something, or let's change the thing which we have written here. So by clicking it, you can get the access to do that. Let's erase it and write anything like hey. Okay, so it's a bit blurry. You have to remove this option first. So by going back, you can do it. Yeah, it's looking very good. It's more clear, and I think it's more eye catchy. So you can even preview that for your betterment. Now let's move to the text side, and here this is basically you can write anything and you can place it anywhere on the video. Let's write my channel name, that is not not okay, and you can resize it. You can even change the in animations, out animation, basically everything which we have discussed before. You can even change the text style, and you can even change the color. Let's put it to red, it's more eye catchy. Now let's change the text style, that is basically it will also give a better look. If you want to highlight something in the video, it will basically do a great job. You can even place it anywhere on the video. And yeah, the last option is handwriting. This setting will allow you to write anything in the video at any instant. Let's put my signature here, and yeah, you can place it now anywhere. You can even adjust the duration till how many time it will be shown on this video. And yeah, it is pretty good. if you want to do. Basically no one does that. No one does that. It all over changes the video style, and so everybody uses the text option only. So yeah, now the last option is recorded ready to record, which is basically help you to voice over the video. And the next option is music. Here you can add the music, your audio, recorded audios, and your music from your SD card, your music from your phone, your from cloud. You will get each and every access, even if you are not a Prime member of this app. So this is how it looks. So you can the most important thing is the trimming option. Now you can even trim it to the left and trim it to the right. This is, if you trim it to the left, means the left from the right side will be trimmed, and here you can add transitions, which are basically the best thing I like in the video. This will give a video a more impressive look. See how it's look. Yeah, it's how it's looking. It's more impressive. So yeah, you can even preview it by moving it slowly to the left and right. And yeah, it's all about your skills, how you develop your skills. You can play and pause the video to have a perfection in that. And now there comes the project settings, which is basically on the left side of the video, and it comes with the audio, video, and editing options. Yeah, you can change the audio fade in, video fade in, and different more access you will get here. So now let's come to the store. Oh yeah, it is the best thing I like in this video. There are number of things you will get if you are a Prime member. Note my word, if you are a Prime member, because if you are not, you will get only selected things. To become a Prime member, you have to pay some amount, which is basically a very less amount. You can afford it too if you want to be editor. So here you will get all the textiles and everything, each and everything. Now let's come how to export it. Now there are several videos which I have made. Now let's select the one which we have to export. From here you have to go to the share option, and here you can set the quality, you can set the frame rate, and in the lower right corner you can see the export option. By clicking there, you can export your video and it will be exported. So thank you guys for watching this video. Do like, share and subscribe for future updates, and see you.